In the last 1 week, I stopped taking in any salt, and I greatly reduced my water intake. So by the end of it, I was, almost on no water.
Hey guys, what's up? Sat Sri Akal. This is your host Samat Kadiyal. So this video is a sequel to the previous water weight guide video. It's an epilogue. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a very basic science trick which every bodybuilder, actor, a fitness model, they use in order to prepare for the D-Day. The D-Day, that is the day of the competition, the day of the photo shoot, the day of the filming. So what do these people do in the last 2 weeks to prepare, to manipulate their physiques for the D-Day? So in that water weight guide video, I told you about glycogen. I told you how glycogen absorbs water. I told you that there is water beneath the skin. There is also water inside the muscle. Now, if I can get my body in a condition where the water inside the muscle is gone, but there is still water present underneath the skin, right? So how would I do that? To get rid of the water inside the muscle, I need to be on low carb diet. Low carb diet mein the glycogen will keep on reducing, and so the water inside the muscle keep on reducing. And in order to ensure that I have water beneath my skin, I should be drinking lots of water, right? So these two things I need to do in phase 1, which is be on a low carb diet to get rid of the water inside the muscle, and to drink lots of water to ensure that there is water beneath the skin. Now comes phase 2. In phase 2, what I will do is that I will continuously decrease my water intake, or I will stop consuming water, right? So water supply inside the body I have cut off, right? Ab jo water hai beneath the skin and all, wohi hai. I am not drinking more water, right? Now if I can get my body to start storing glycogen again inside the muscle, how will I do that? By switching to a high carb diet, right? By eating more carbs than my body needs. So all that excess glucose, my body will convert it into glycogen, and it will start storing this glycogen inside the muscle. So if I manage to do that, like I said, glycogen comes with the offer that glycogen has to absorb water, it needs water. But now I am not drinking water, I have cut off the water supply. So where will the glycogen inside this muscle absorb the water from? It will absorb the water which is present underneath the skin. So the water underneath the skin, that is the water which was there between the skin and the muscle, now it starts getting inside the muscle. The glycogen in the muscle is absorbing that water. So what is the end result? The end result is a physique where my muscles are full of glycogen and they are full of water. So they are all rounded, full, all pumped up. And these muscles are pushing directly against the skin. They are pushing directly against the skin. Why? Because now there is no water layer. The water which was beneath the skin has now been absorbed inside the muscles. And the end result of this is a freaking ultimate shredded, ripped physique for the D-Day, for the day of the competition, for the day of the photo shoot, for the day of the filming. This is the simple manipulation of body chemistry which is done by bodybuilders, actors, fitness models. Even Aamir Khan, he did it in Ghajini. He told you in that video.
In the last 1 week, I stopped taking in any salt, and I greatly reduced my water intake. So by the end of it, I was, almost on no water.
Now what Aamir Khan has told you in that video is just one step of the two phases. There were two phases. Phase 1 mein, drink more water, go on low carb. Phase 2 mein, reduce your water intake and eat more carbs. In that video, he only tells us that he went on low sodium and stopped drinking water, right? I think actually Aamir Khan forgot to tell us that there are 3 other steps,
Short-term memory loss patient. Mujhe yaad dila raha hai.
But there were these 3 other steps also. Done by, I can guarantee Aamir Khan did them. Absolutely. No wonder he achieved that ultimate physique in that shot, in that bathroom, that bathroom scene in that movie Ghajini, you remember? a very basic body chemistry manipulation, which even you can do, if you study a little bit more, because what I have told you here is a very simple explanation. It's a surface level explanation. There are a lot of supplements and some diuretics and all those things are also involved. But basically the basic principle is what I just told you. So if you have watched the video till here, you now have another useful knowledge which you did not have earlier. So my goal of this channel is fulfilled. Do leave a like and comment if you enjoyed the video, and do subscribe to the channel if you have not already. 2020, people say it's going to be a bad year and everything. I'll tell you what, 2020 is going to be the best year for us. The best year for us. These 6 months, magic is going to happen. That's all for the day. I will see you guys soon. This is Kaktiyal signing out.